Alright guys, I got a quickie but a goodie for you. The Pixel Fold case here. As you can see, it's in a pretty small little package. Let me just get right into this. Alright, you have some tissue paper around the case. Very interesting choice there. Alright, so it gives you some instructions on how to put it on. If you'd like to see that, I'll just leave this here. But pretty much it wants you to put it on closed. Now, the biggest problem that I have with this case is the adhesiveness to it. So you got your adhesive here and here. And you also have it here. Now, I do have a D brand case coming along the way, and it just kind of worries me, like if I take the adhesive off and I commit to this case, if I take it off, like how long lasting is this going to be? So let me slap it on without the adhesive and just kind of show you guys how it's going to look. Before that, you could see there's like a nice little felt material in here with a pixel. Very minimal, nice and slim. A good G logo. So here is how thin the phone is without the case. And let me slap-aroo this on. Try and do it to where I hide the adhesive. Now that got on there very easily, actually. Alright, let me try and finagle the adhesive here. Not going to be as easy on this side. Overall, I gotta say, very, very nice, very clean. You got minimal camera razivity, but it also kind of like flushes out the back. Doesn't really add too much girth. I will say, if you are into hinge protection, you're not getting any of that here. I'm curious as to how the stainless steel is going to hold up over time, but the aluminum on my Fold, I don't even have a case on that, and it has been perfectly fine. So I have high hopes for this. Let's get a... Oh, you see, that is a little concerning, how it just kind of... I like opened it from the case and it popped off like that. I don't know if you noticed that. May need to push it on more. Oh, it seems pretty on there. Interesting. No, it doesn't. I might need to take the stickers off. Whatever, work on that later. So, as you can see, very clean, very simplistic. You open it up and it's going to keep your phone very, very slim. I also really like how the material feels. It's a very nice silicone material, just very nice to the touch. Well, as I was saying, you guys, this is going to be a short one. I just wanted to make a video to the side just to not really kind of clog up my unboxing and impressions video. If you guys like this and want to see more Fold content, leave a sub, like, comment, all that good stuff. I love talking with you guys. Other than that, thank you for stopping by, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.